Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Better slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Only if both of you make that decision. Can I make you feel right? Now can I make you feel right? The drinks and the weed got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Oh, seems like fucking was always a mission. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Shawty, why you always rushing? Cause with me you always crushing. Down for whatever, that's cool. I'ma lay you down on a bed if that's cool, yeah. You can watch it through the mirror. Get on top just so you can see it clearer. Don't worry, you'll be home soon. You can tell your girlfriend she can come too, yeah. And if it's your first